Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to fix Wi-Fi connection disconnect frequently in your Windows 10, Windows 11 and Windows 7. So how to fix it in this video, we will know that step by step. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 7 and other software. So let's start the video. The first method is open your Windows Explorer and after that right click on this PC and click here manage option. After that guys, click here device manager option and find here your network adapter here, Wi-Fi network adapter. This is my Wi-Fi adapter, your Wi-Fi adapter. So Wi-Fi change adapter option. So this is my Wi-Fi TP link wireless USB adapter. So find here under list your Wi-Fi adapter. Okay, this is my Wi-Fi. So right click on it and click here update driver option and click here first option search automatically. So guys already installed, close it. Again right click on it and click here update driver again and select this second option browse my computer. Let me pick, click here and select your Wi-Fi adapter. Okay, under list this is your Wi-Fi Microsoft. Click on next. So guys your adapter will be updated here. Okay, now close this window. After that guys, if your problem is not fixed, we are going for next method. Now close this window and click here start button. Open your Windows Explorer, click here manage. Again click here device manager option and guys your wireless adapter, right click on it and click here properties and after that click here power management option. Now uncheck this checkbox, allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Uncheck it and click here OK button. And after that close this window and restart your machine. Okay, and check your problem is fixed or not. So guys, if your problem is not fixed, please update your Wi-Fi driver. Okay, so if you like this video and your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.